Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. This is part 3 video in series of Python from basic to advanced. In this video, I will give overview and different data types in Python. I have already uploaded 2 videos in this Python series. So for better understanding, please do watch those videos before watch this video. And I will also provide link for that video in description box below. So please check out there. Before start this video, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever we upload a new video. Coming back to our video, data types in Python. In programming language, data type is an important concept. Not only Python, in every programming language, data types are most important. Data type is nothing but it will give the type of the data. In my previous video, I have explained variable, right? In variable, we will give the variable name and equal to assignment operator. Then will provide the value there, right? The value might be a numeric type, that is integer, or that might be alphabet, that is string or character, or that may be real and imaginary, that complex value, or it might be a collection of values that might be string or list or tuple or dictionary in Python. Variable, like here you can say variable can store data as a different type, and different type can do different things. So if you have data in numeric type, we can do some other operations. If your data is in string type, we can apply some other operations on that string. Like that, we should know which type of data we are working on that. In Python, basically we have numeric type. In coming to numeric category, there are int, float, and complex is there. Coming to Boolean type, in every programming language, max means maximum. We will have Boolean values is like true or false only. And text type, that means that might be character or alphabets, that is called string in Python. And in other data types, we can say list, tuple, dictionary, set. These are the like data structures. We can say collection of values. In these list and tuple dictionary set, not only single value, it might be contain single value, but they mostly it will use for collection of values. In other language we can say array, but in Python there are the different arrays are there. We can say different types of array. A list has some different properties are there. Tuple has a different property, and dictionary is like key and pair value. I will give the brief discussion of this in coming videos, and in this video I will show how to we create list, tuple, dictionary, and set also. Let's go. First of all, let's see Python numeric types. In Python numeric type, there are three types are there. That is int, float, and complex. Variables of number types are created when you assign a value to them. In this Python, we don't need to declare the data types of variable. That means here you don't need to mention this is like int. Whenever you assign this 10 to this x, internally Python compiler know that this is numeric value and this is whole value, then it will take as a int. And if you here we assign decimal value, right, then internally Python can consider this as a float value. Here I am entering x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 3.4. This is float because it is decimal and this is whole number. That's why it is an int. And z I have declared 1 j. J is an imaginary number. To know the complex, you know the complex, what are complex types in mathematics, then you will get the understand. Here I am not going to explain what is complex number, but just understand in complex number there is real plus imaginary values are there. Here I have mentioned 1j, that means this is imaginary value. So internally Python compiler consider it as a complex. I am executing this. In Python, to verify the data type, there is an inbuilt function is called type. You just need to give type function, and in between you just need to mention any object then it will give the type of that object. Here I am entering type of x, then you will get you can see here you get int. That means this is integer. This data type is integer only. Here you can see if I enter here, it get float because the value assigned to this 5 is 3.4. That means it is decimal value, right? Decimal is nothing but float. That's why it gives float. If I enter this type of jet, then we will get the complex. Why it's complex means 1j. J means imaginary. Internally, Python will consider this as a complex. If I remove this j here, then you can see here you can see it gave int because we have provided only whole number, right, without any imaginary. If I provide imaginary, then it will give not I j is imaginary, then it will give the complex. Okay, likewise we can mention different numeric data types in Python. I will come every single word, like I will give the brief discussion what operations we can done in numeric type and string and complex and list tuple. I will come with that, but in this video I will just give the brief like overview of all data types. Okay, just move to boolean. In every language there is a boolean data types are true either false. Here I have x is equal to true and y is equal to false. I'm executing this, and here you can see the type. If I execute this, you get bool. That means it is boolean type and it is y. A boolean types also make a crucial role in programming whenever we are doing code. In upcoming video I will give the clarity of this. For just now, you just remember that boolean is nothing but true or false in Python. Not in Python, in every programming language we have boolean types true and false only, true or false only. Coming to Python strings. Python strings are nothing but alphabets. Whenever you mention the alphabet, that will become as a string. Here strings in Python are surrounded by either a single quotation mark or double quotation marks. Here RNR with single quotations is the same as RNR with double quotations. Here I'm entering x is equal to single quotation RNR and double quotation RNR. You can see the type of x is string and type of y is also string. Here the important thing is whenever you are declaring any string, the quotes are very important. If I remove these quotes, then you will get definitely error. Name RNR is not defined because this RNR is considered as a variable. If you mention single quotations or double quotation surrounding that, then it will become like data types or value, then it will consider as a string value, string data type value. Okay, like that we can strings also having so many operations to do. In next video I will do that. And coming to data structures, I have already explained I will explain list and tuple and set and dictionary in this video. We can also say that dictionary, this list, tuple and set and dictionary as a data structures also. Data structures is nothing but we are organized and managing and storing data is important as it enable easier access and efficient modification. Data structures allows you to organize your data in such a way that enable you to store collection of data, relate them and perform operation on the accordingly. Data structure is nothing but we can manage the data very easily. Data structures is like a collection of data. Nothing is there. There is not only one value, it having collection of data. If you have collection of data and having some order is there, then we can access and manipulate the data is very easily. Nothing is there. Data structure is means is the organizing manner of data. You can remember like that. List and tuple set also called as a built-in data types. In Python there are the built-in data structures. You can, if you see this image in data structures in Python, there are built-in data structures are there, user defined data structures are there. In this video and in total our Python series we will discuss about this inbuilt only. In coming to in data structures concept, I will explain these things, but now just leave this and just focus on this list, dictionary, tuple, and set is here. In this video, I will show how to declare the list, dictionary, tuple, and set. In coming videos, I will do. There are lot of operations and there are lot of workings on with list and dictionary, tuple, and set. It is not possible to make a one video. So in this particular video, I will give an overview of list, dictionary, tuple, and set. Okay. First, let's see Python lists. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. As I said like that, lists and tuples and dictionary and sets are used to store a multiple values like arrays in other language. In Python also arrays are there, but arrays are in Python we will create by using NumPy. That is one of the library. Uh, we can discuss that in later if it's like if it is useful. But now just remember in data structures in Python are inbuilt data structures are list, tuple, dictionary, and set are there. Lists are created using square brackets. Here I have give the variable name and mention the equal sign. Then I have mentioned the set of values in the square brackets. If you mention any value in square bracket, then it will become list in Python. I have entered, so list as created. I am just checking type. Type will I have already explained. Type will give the data type of that variable, right? Here you can see list as a data type. Likewise, tuple. Tuples are used to store a multiple items in single variable like list. There are small difference are there in list and tuple. I will explain in coming videos, but now you just get the idea how to declare the list and tuple. Here I have mentioned t1 variable and I have used the round brackets. If you use round bracket, it will become tuple. Okay. Then Python set is there. Set also used to store the multiple items in a variable. Set are written with curly brackets. Whenever you mention the values between curly brackets, it will become as a set. As I said that set and tuple and list as a different properties are there. I will explain in coming videos. And Python dictionaries are used to store multiple items in the form of key and value pairs. This dictionary is some words different. The use of dictionary is also different. It having keys and value pair. With curly brackets only. As like set has a curly bracket, but there is no key and value pair. But in dictionary, like we can consider this is a key and this is value, and this is key and this is value. This is key and this is value. If I mention like this, then internally it will consider that dictionary. You can say difference. If I mentioned only single values here, then it consider as a set. If we mention key and value, then it will consider the dictionary. This is all about this data types, different data types in Python. In coming videos, I will give the brief discussion about one by one. So I hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Let's meet in another video.